Also developing, we now know when the man accused of murdering a Daytona Beach police officer could go on trial. Othal Wallace is accused of shooting Officer Jason Rayner back in June. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. A tentative trial date was set today. News 6's Brian Didlake tells us why it will take more than a year to even start jury selection.
Othal Wallace now has a potential trial date of April in 2023. The judge looking to move things forward while giving both the prosecution and the defense enough time to prepare.
We've had almost 6 months in this case, and we have not had a single in-person pretrial or any sort of events that relate to this case, and I wanted to find out what is the progress.
Judge Zambrano in the case management hearing pushing for both the prosecution and defense to forward their timelines in the case of Othal Wallace. Both are still in the discovery process as they build their cases.
Can you sit down? I'll talk to you. Come on now.
Part of the evidence being on body camera showing the moments before investigators say Wallace shot Daytona Beach officer Jason Rayner back in June, while Officer Rayner initially responding to a suspicious incident. After shots were fired, Wallace led officials on a 56-hour-long manhunt. He was eventually found hiding with guns in a treehouse in Georgia with ties to a pro-black paramilitary organization. In Tuesday's case management hearing, prosecution saying they sent evidence to the defense on the gun and shell casings recently found back at the shooting scene in Daytona Beach. Now the prosecution saying they need one more item.
The primary piece of discovery I'm still waiting to get is working with the federal government to get some additional materials from Georgia, but that's the only thing that I'm still waiting for to get.
The defense not revealing much of what's in their discovery, but does say they have some plans for testimonies.
The defense's written motion to continue that was filed with the court, and that we are in the process of retaining experts in this case.
An issue that was presented going forward is that both the prosecution and the defense are working high-stake cases while preparing for Othal Wallace's trial. Now, the judge says that's no excuse and does plan to move forward. The next case management hearing is set for March 4th. We're in DeLand. Brian Dillake getting results. News 6.